Wow, yummy. So I'm going to take 4 overripe bananas like these. I'll peel them first and mash them. So I'll just mash these. So I'm using this Khapli multigrain flour. This flour has got a Khapli, there is emmer, jowar, barley, ragi, that is finger millet, soybean, kulti, chana dal, chickpea, and alsi flax seeds. To this, I'm adding baking soda and baking powder. 1 cup of castor sugar. So I'm going to beat with this. So I'm going to preheat. I want it in 150. Now this is blinking. I press start once. I press once more, it will go to preheating. Just 2 tablespoons of milk, and I have some nuts here. Usually I put walnuts. Today I don't have walnuts, I'm putting hazelnuts. I'll pour it in the prepared tin and keep it in the oven for baking for 1 hour in 150 degrees centigrade. See, this is blinking. So I have to select the time. I'm going to keep it for 1 hour because it's low temperature. But I'll check it before and check if the toothpick comes clean, then it is done. I'm going to stop it and check. It already looks very brown, so I'll just check it how it is. I'll check with a toothpick. It's come out clean, so I'll just turn it off. So in 50 minutes it is done. I'll just switch off. Let me just take out. So now that it's cooled down, I'm cutting it. I've made this banana bread many times. I've tried with just Maida and white sugar, castor sugar powder. I've done with a mix of Maida and wheat flour. I've done with just wheat flour, and this is the second time I'm doing with Khapli flour, and that too multigrain Khapli. And it's come out nicely. Wow. So whenever you make this banana bread, it just finishes in a jiffy. Just enjoy it. It's so moist, soft, and yummy. Usually I put chocolate chips. This time I put hazelnuts. I've tried with walnuts. You can make it as it is or add any nuts of your choice. Try it, enjoy it, and share your experience.